The United Nations Children's Fund says a significant number of children in the northern part of Nigeria are facing the menace of multidimensional poverty. UNICEF stated this at a media dialogue in Gombe State. Trustee Adamu Imam in Bauchi reports that some of these children are seeking alternative means of livelihood as they have been left to cater for themselves. The report.
According to the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, extreme poverty rate is expected to increase in 2024, with an estimated 84 million Nigerians living below the poverty line. At a media dialogue recently in Gombe, UNICEF noted that the rising number of children living in poverty in the northeastern region has become a source of concern. Some of the children speak on the challenges they face while searching for their daily bread. Sometimes we don't have food during sahur. That's why we resolve not to participate in the fast. On the days we have food, we hardly get enough that will satisfy us. We are appealing to the government to help us. Even if we are sick, our supervisor does not take care of us until we recover naturally, or if our parents come around. We don't have access to Western education because we are not favored to be enrolled. We usually visit this refuge site on the outskirts of the town, especially on Tuesdays and Thursdays, every week to scout for items to sell and buy food to eat. With this, we buy soap to wash our clothes and save some for transportation when we are going back home after holidays. Social and security expert Abdullahi Yelwa urged stakeholders and the media create awareness on the danger created by multidimensional poverty.
About multidimensional poverty, we mean that people are attacked left, right, and center by issues related to poverty, which means that they will be lacking in access to proper education, they will be lacking in access to proper sanitation, they will be lacking in access to proper drinking water.
Yelwa noted that corruption and lack of parental care is an obstacle that needs urgent solution.
Those who need not to go there have brought their children and have hijacked the system of Tangaya. Instead of assisting the absolute poor, now it has become the school of the privileged who doesn't need to take their children to that place simply because of the advantage of the quality or the standard of the feeding and this. So now using their political connection to expunge those who the system was meant for.
Abdullahi Mohammed is an orange vendor within the metropolis. He said child poverty is prevalent among many communities and calls for government action. Sometimes when I see these children here picking up food from dump site, I feel really discomfort to the extent that I even try to send them away. But I end up allowing them to eat so that they can get some relief inside their stomachs. Honestly, starvation is imminent here. Government should intervene quickly, please. UNICEF called for strategic policy shift by governments at all levels to improve the lives of children bedeviled by poverty in Nigeria. Adam Imam, Trust TV News, Bauchi.